Welcome to our channel here at Travelworld, where in today's video we will be taking you around the Niesmann+Bischoff iSmove 7.3F. This vehicle is an incredible vehicle with a huge awning, an external gas socket and also 18-inch alloy wheels. The electric entrance step takes you into this integrated vehicle, so let's show you around. In your iSmove living area we have a great space using the cab chairs and the additional sofas to provide you with a really good sized living room. In this vehicle we have fabric with a really nice burnt orange and your table, which is adjustable to provide you with a larger dining area. This particular vehicle does come with a comfort package, motorhome Wi-Fi and underfloor heating, meaning you have that extra element of luxury in your iSmove. The iSmove kitchen provides us with some really great features and we're going to show you around them. We have a chopping board that slides out here and your wooden chopping board will slot on top, providing you with some additional workspace. The tap comes out of the holder and can be used to swill anything in your sink. And your kitchen is a transformative kitchen in this iSmove, and we will show you how you do this. You simply pull the glass panel off your hob and this will then slide out and slot on the wooden panel on this side of the wall. This then provides you with a great kitchen area to cook in. Not only this, but we have a cupboard that can be controlled by the touch of a button, and this provides you with an additional element of storage. You can already see you are also included a Nespresso coffee machine, which comes with your vehicle. In your kitchen, below your hob and sink area, you have got a cutlery drawer with some additional storage at the side, a bottom drawer which has got more storage, but your middle drawer is your chest fridge freezer. Now this is a great feature in the iSmove as it takes up no additional space other than one drawer. In this iSmove 7.3F, you have an island bed which comes with the underbed storage and also storage as you approach the bed using the stairs. There are USB ports at both sides of the bed, perfect for when you need to charge your phone during the night. And on this side of the bed, there is also a few little storage boxes next to your bed. On the additional side of the bed, you have got a mirrored wardrobe, and there is lots of overhead storage in this bedroom. So in your iSmove, you have the innovative bathroom layout, and this layout really is perfect for those who are looking at utilising the space to the fullest. We've got the ambient lighting and the luxurious feel in this motorhome with the modern interior, and the bathroom simply transforms into your shower area using the sliding door. You simply use the dial, pull it back and slot it back in on the opposite side. Now this then provides you with a massive shower area, and to use the shower you simply grab hold of this and pop it in the holder